Hello everyone, today we want to introduce our 158 pieces tool set. It has all essential hand tools all in one set. So let's check inside. So the first one is the adjustable wrench. Okay, so you can adjust the head as you want, very easy. Okay. Second one is the long nose plier. Here is the utility knife. Utility knife, pretty sharp, very handy in your house. These are different sizes of Hexkey wrench, and here we have 6 pieces of screwdrivers with different heads. So the tiny screwdrivers with different types of heads. Okay. And here we have 5 pieces of wrenches with open and closed heads. Okay, so I'll show you the largest wrench here, size 15, and the smallest size is 10. Okay, here again another set of Hexkey wrenches, and here is the measure tape. Measure tape can fix. So let's check the other side. So here we have the ratchet, and for the ratchet, of course, we offer a big range of sockets. All can be used for the ratchet, and you can choose the size that is required for your needs. Okay, you take the ratchet and the socket. You need to press it here to clip it, and it can work. Change the ratchet direction here. By the way, the ratchet is made from chrome vanadium, CRV material. Then we have the big hammer. Here we have 2 screwdrivers with different heads, Phillips and slotted head. Okay, slotted head and Phillips head. And here is our bit holder. Can be used with different screwdriver bits. So, bit holder has a magnet inside, so it can be easily attached. And choose the right head for your task. Okay. This is our socket adapter. It also can be used with the ratchet. And different assortments inside, nails, screws, everything you need. The last one is the accessory that you can attach to the hammer. So we just attached this accessory. It can be used on softer materials. That's all what we got for 158 pieces set. So please check the link down below if you want to buy this